Hello, welcome to ClipClap. Ready to experience the easiest way to make marketing videos? Just tell me what you need and watch the magic happen. First, input the link of the product you want to promote. We support Amazon, TikTok Shop, and Shopify. If you don't have a product link, that's fine. Simply fill in the information here and upload product pics and videos. If you have specific requirements for duration, language, or aspect ratio, you can set them right here. Didn't set video requirements earlier? No worries, you can add or adjust them anytime in the information review section. Here's the magic formula. After entering your link, ClipClap handles everything automatically, grabbing content, creating script outlines, selecting digital avatars, writing video scripts, and generating videos with image-to-video technology. One-click video creation, fully automated, no experience needed. Just wait a moment and your custom marketing video is ready. ClipClap doesn't just generate videos quickly, it also lets you easily make modifications. Simply make your request in the dialog box, and ClipClap will instantly adjust the video content. Now let's see how to edit your finished video. Need to adjust the script? Tell ClipClap to change it. Wrong image aspect ratios? Tell ClipClap to crop it. Not happy with the digital avatar? Tell ClipClap your ideal persona. New background music? Tell ClipClap to switch it up. Want to fine-tune the details? Absolutely. Whether it's transitions, fonts, subtitles, or subtitle animations, they can all be customized. See, it's that simple. Come try ClipClap and create your first marketing video.